When you run mortgage loan or service loan or home loan service ads on Facebook, so in this video only for you, you just continue this video. I hope you can understand properly how to run a home loan or mortgage loan service ads on Facebook platforms. So first of all, I just create a new campaign here and I select the lead campaign. Okay, now I just write the name, the campaigns. So I just write the name. Okay, this campaign will be optimized of CBO method, to campaign budget optimization. So I just use $20 per day and click the next option here. Okay, and write the ad set name. I usually use 3 ad set here, the interest based audience firstly. So I just select write the audience name and use the website also, and just select our data set and use my goal is the lead from collect. So I just select the lead from, and the most important things here, I just use my location is all over the USA, and I use minimum people here, the 25 years old, and lastly I use the gender is almost all, and I use the targeting option. So first of all, I just use the home equity loan person, the interest base. So I just write here, and that is the home equity loan. The secondly, I use the mortgage loan. So I use the mortgage loan here. Okay, and the next option is the mortgage calendar. So I use the calendar here. Okay, I use it. Now I can use the loan and credit scores. So I use it. Okay, this is the options, and the next one is first time home buyers. So basically I use it, first time home buyer real estate, and the latest is the first time home generate buyers etc. So I just use it. The next one is for sale and buy. Many people are interested to need some loans here, so this kind of people I also targeted. And I just use the real property, so people buy the house, so they give me some money so they can enroll the loan service. And the next one is the status home, I can use it. Okay, and then the final was in the loan bank, Federal Home Loan Bank. So these those people are interested this kind of service needed, so they can use it. And lastly was it the Gilo, that is very good audience come to here. So I just select the Gilo. Okay, Gilo real estate. Okay, so that is my overall targeting for interest based audience, and I just select our placement, which placement Facebook publish our ad, and people more than interested here. So I can use only Facebook or Instagram, no need of audience network, messenger or thread. Okay, I just use Facebook or Instagram, and I select the placement here. So I can use the Facebook feed, Facebook profile feed, Instagram profile feed. I don't use the Facebook marketplace, not use the right column, and Facebook Instagram Explorers is not very good placement here. Facebook Business Explorer is not very good placement, and the Facebook notification, that is the new placement come to here, so I can use it. And the Facebook story, Instagram stories, okay, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, okay, that's fine. And now I can use the Facebook Reels also, and search term is very much good, so I can use the search terms. Okay, so overall placement is almost done. Now I can click the next option and use one video here. Okay, so I use the one video here. So I just select it, and I use a single video. So that is my links, and I use my UTM parameters, so I can use the UTM parameters, sorry, the campaign level. Okay, item parameters here, or I can use the ad name. So I can use the campaign source, the Facebook, the campaign media is paid media, and I use the campaign name, that is my campaign name, and that is the campaign content. I use the one video, so I just use the applied. I can use my creatives or videos, so I just use the media section and select the video section and use the video. So I just choose this video and just continue and skip. I don't use any kind of primary text headline or description here. I just use the manually. So that is my video come to here, and I just use the primary text headline or description. So just go to the primary section. Yes, so this is my primary text. So I just continue here. I just some adjustment on my primary text. Okay, and now I can use my description here, sorry, headline here. So I just use only one headline. So I just create it, and finally I can use the description also. So I just use the description and put down here. Okay, my campaign ad setup is almost done here, and I can use the pixel also. So basically I can use the only one ad set and one ad, and I can also use the multiple ad set. So I just copy the one my first ad set here. So I just duplicate. I just duplicate it, and I use the custom audience. So I just first of all change the name. I can use the custom audience here. So that is my interest based audience. I can delete all my interest based audience, and that is the option here. So that is the option, the custom audience we can use. So that is my custom audience, the 3 to 50 second, the all campaign video views last 14 months. So I can use it very easily. And now I can use my Facebook page audience. So just scroll down here, and that is my Facebook page FB. So people who save any post or reaction their page, this can people last 6 months here. So I can use it. Also I can use the people send message on my page last 6 months. I can also use that. And the people I can use the Instagram audience here. So people on any engage any post on my Instagram. So that is this kind of people I can target it. And also I can use the any specific landing page view people also here. So that is the Facebook web page visit last 6 months. So I can use the engagement audience and the website based audience, custom audience. First of all I just use my video view audience, my Facebook page audience, my Instagram page audience, and my website visit audience. So I can use it and just publish, just continue here. And now I can use the another my ad set. So I just duplicate it, and this ad set I can use the only the Facebook. I just use the Facebook AI. I can work this project last 4th month. So Facebook learn about more things about my creatives, about my targeted, about my audience, about my lead collection submission people. So Facebook definitely learn about more things. So I can use the all audience without any targeting. So now I can delete my all custom audience very easily. Very easily I can delete all things. And look at that, I can use the three ad set. First of all I just use my interest based, the basic interest based audience. And now I can use my Facebook page, Instagram page, and website visit all audience, the custom audience. And finally I can use the all audience without any targeting, the blank audience Facebook. I just use the Facebook AI. So this kind of ads, this kind of setup, so this kind of Facebook ad setup is work very properly. That is the more example I can show you. So just look at my dashboard here, Facebook ads dashboard. and I can use last 30 days, the total update here. You look at that, you look at that result. I can generate the more than 367 leads here, and I can that is very good result, and I can spend the 2150. So more than is very much good result for your any kind of mortgage loan business. So this kind of setup I can also use many kind of things. So I hope you can understand properly how to target and how to creative a Facebook ads campaign for your loan business or home loan business. So if there any problem, you just contact me, link in the description. So thank you.